So this Exif information is all about your camera. That has to do with the camera model, the lens, your camera settings, everything about how that photo was made. So this is very important for certain agencies, which is why I think agencies approve photos or reject photos based on your equipment. All right, so I got an email from Mike Manning talking about the Exif information in Photoshop. This is exchangeable image file format. And he has over 400 photos in Shutterstock as a hobby, and he wanted to upload those images to a different agency. Well, that agency rejected all these photos because it didn't have the metadata, the Exif files. In Photoshop, if you go to File, Export, and Export As, you are not going to get the format. You have to go to File, Export, Save as Web, and then make sure that your metadata is set to All. Lightroom, when you go to the export settings, you also have to go to the metadata tab and make sure that it's all there. Some agencies are not going to accept these images if they don't have all that data. And I just want to share this with you because if you want to upload to more agencies, which I recommend, you're going to have all that data there or they're not going to take your photos.